Morning students, welcome to the class of HTML. Students, in the last lecture we have discussed the introduction of DHTML, components of DHTML, HTML, cascading style sheet and document object model. And in today's class we will cover page number 38 till 40. And we will discuss different parts of CSS. CSS means cascading style sheet. We will do the practical that how to set the color of the text, how to set the background color, how to display text in JavaScript, and how to display the text with the heading in JavaScript. So students, open your books. Students, in the last lecture we have discussed about the CSS. What is CSS? CSS is a simple mechanism for adding styles like font, color, any spacing, any style, etc. Means whatever the coding we want to do in the DHTML, that is done with the help of CSS. And its syntax we will discuss. We will start the style tag and we will type is equal to double quotes text slash CSS. Now students, discuss the various parts of CSS for the syntax. We are having three parts of the CSS syntax. First is selector, second is property, and third is value. So with these three parts, the syntax of CSS is made up. Firstly, we will write selector, then we will start the curly bracket, then we will write the property, whatever the property we want, then after double colons we will give the value, which value we want for that particular property, and at the end we will close this curly bracket. Let's take the example. Let's suppose I want to do the formattings of the paragraph. As you know that paragraph starts with the P tag, and now I want to give the style to it. I'll start, this is my selector, P is a selector. After that curly bracket start, text align means I want to change the alignment of the text of this paragraph. So this is my property and these columns. After that my requirement is to make the paragraph alignment center. This is the value. Next I want to use the color. Separating one property from the another, we are using this semicolon. And next property we have used in this example, that is color. And which color? That is red. Now let us do it practically so that it will make you more clear. We will open our notepad and we will do the coding for it. Students, in the CSS, what we will do, before the body tag, we will write, as I told you, we will write style tag. We will write style type is equal to text slash CSS. This line makes the web browser to understand that this coding is going to be done in the CSS. After that, let's suppose I want to set the color of the text. I want to give any heading and I want to change the color of it. Let's suppose I want to write H2. H2 for heading level 2. Curly bracket start, H2 is my selector and I will write color colon red. That is a property. Color is a property and red is its value. Now I want to give the H1 heading and I want to give the color green, and I will close this curly bracket, and at the end I will close this style tag. Students, note that I have started the style tag before the body tag. I have given red color to the heading 2 and green color to the heading 1, and at the end I have closed this style tag. Now after the body tag I will write H1 Holy Heart Presidency School, and I will close this H1. This H1 tag picks the formatting effects of green, and after H1 I want to write H2, and again I want to copy this text and paste it over here, and I will close this H2 tag. Students, note that in the style, firstly I have given the heading H2, then H1, and in the actual implementation I have started H1 before H2. Means that in any sequence we can give any formatting effects, and after that whenever we need to use it we can use it. It will pick automatically from this selector. This feature also makes the CSS more dynamic, more flexible. Now I'll save my work and see the result of it. Color of H1 will be green and color of H2 will be red. Now see, both colors are changed. First color of H1 is green and second is red. In this way we can do the colors of the text. Next work we are going to do to change the background color. How to change the background color? For that, what we will do, in our coding we will type we want to change the background color. For that we will write body is a selector. Now curly bracket start background hyphen color colons. Let's suppose I want pink color. Now curly bracket close. It means whatever is the body tag and its background color will be changed to pink. Now we will save our work and see the output. I'll double click on it. See, now the background color of my web page is changed to the pink. Now next work we are going to do that how to do the coding in JavaScript. For that, first practical I am going to do in front of you to display the text. In the HTML we were typing the text and the text will be displayed on our screen. But in the JavaScript what we will do, I'll delete this coding and I will write on the place of style tag in JavaScript we will write script. Type as we were doing the CSS, and we will write text / JavaScript, double quotes close, angular bracket close. Earlier we were writing style over here and here we were writing text / CSS. Now I am writing script over here and text / JavaScript over here to make the page coding in JavaScript. And now I want that to display the text. For that what we will do, we will write this body tag before the script. We will write body tag over here. I have done the font changes for you people, that I'll keep it over here. Now I want to write document dot write. Document dot write will display the text. Means whatever I will write in these curly bracket, that will display on the screen. I will write Holyheart Presidency School, and I will close the double quotes and round bracket close, and at the end we will close this script which we have started. We have closed it. Now students, we have done the JavaScript coding. We have called for it with this line. We have write script type is equal to double quotes text slash JavaScript. Now I want to display the text. For that I have written document dot write. Write means that text will display on my screen. And in the round brackets in double quotes I typed my message, that is Holyheart Presidency School, and at the end I have closed this script tag as we have closed the style tag. Now I'll save my work. See what is the effect of it. My text is displayed on the screen. This is a work of JavaScript to display the text. Now second practical I want to do in the JavaScript, that is how to display text with the heading. Let's suppose I want that heading should come over here. For that only one change we will make, that is H1. We will start over here and we will write H1 closed. In this way we can do the codings of displaying the text. I'll save my work, I'll close it and see the output of. Now this text is displayed with the heading 1, H1. So students, in this lecture we have discussed the syntax of the CSS, various parts of the syntax, and we have done the practical of how to set the color of the text, how to change the background color, how to do the coding in the JavaScript to display the text, and how to display the text in the headings or in JavaScript. Hope you understood the lecture of today. Do the practical of these topics with the help of school links. Thank you so much.